Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Barbican and I just want to look at the state of the road. Now they have dug up the road to put in sewer pipes and they have to connect from this complex back to Barbican Road where the other pipes are. And so they have dug up this section and are in the process of digging up Birdsucker Lane. So I want to ask you guys a question. Who is responsible for fixing this road back? And with the upcoming Spark program where they're going to repair 2,000 roads, how does this NWC lane of sewer pipes tie into that program? Because can you imagine they renovated this road and then they come to lay sewer pipes and dig up the road? And based on how I've seen this work done, when they're finished, they don't fix the road back to the state it was in before. So do you think there should be a case where if the road is recently renovated, the authorities should tell NWC, no, you have to wait 5 to 10 years before you can dig up this road to lay pipes? I don't know. What do you guys think? Should you think that there should be some sort of restriction on NWC and the work that they do in digging up these roads? But it looks like they're finished because you can see in the middle of the road where they've dug it up. So it looks like they've connected it. So out here now, this road was recently renovated and the sewer pipes were run here. Now what happened is NWC has started to put in sewer pipes recently. Before, it was only water pipes that ran under the road. So you would get water through the NWC connection, and then you'd have a pit or a tank where the cesspool people would come and empty the sewage, or a pit where it runs off. But they don't do that anymore. You now have to connect. I don't know if it's in all the areas, but this area, you have to connect to the NWC sewer system if you're building a new development. And you pay a fee. In the same way you pay a fee for the water, I'm not sure if it's a set fee or what, but you have to pay National Water Commission for the sewage disposal. If anybody knows what the rates are like or how they calculate it, is it a fixed monthly fee? Let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. And also in other countries, how do they do it? In like America, the USA, Canada, what kind of setup is in place? Do they have the sewer pipes that you connect to? Let us know. Leave your comments in the section below. But this is how it's being done in Jamaica now, and I guess that's the modern way to do it. But the issue is, because remember, this is a new system, so most of the areas don't have sewer pipes running, only water. Who is going to pay to repair that road? Is it just going to stay there like that until NWA does it? Does National Water Commission repair it? So guys, let us know what you think should happen, or if anybody knows what the procedure is, and what you think about the laying of these sewer pipes. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.